Okay, let's take a look at problem 2. Above it says, a solution of an inequality is any number that makes the inequality true. The solutions of the inequality x is less than 5 are all real numbers x that are less than 5. You can evaluate an expression to determine whether a value is a solution of an inequality. So it says, identify solutions by evaluating. So it says, what is the number a solution of 2x plus 1 greater than negative 3? So I'm going to plug in negative 3. So I substitute in negative 3, and I get negative 6 plus 1, and I want to know if this is greater than negative 3. And when I evaluate, I get negative 5 is greater than negative 3, which is not true. So negative 3 is not a solution. Let's plug in negative 1. Negative 1 times 2 plus 1 is greater than negative 3. So I get negative 2 plus 1, is that greater than negative 3? Well, I have negative 1 is greater than negative 3, so negative 1 is a solution. So let's take a look at the guide. It says consider the numbers negative 1, 0, 1, and 3, which are solutions of 13 minus 7y is less than or equal to 6. So let's see. We want to find values of y. We want to do negative 1, 0, 1, and 3. We want to know if it is greater than or equal to 6. So 13 minus 7y greater than or equal to 6. So we'll plug those values in. So I have 13 minus 7 times negative 1 is greater than or equal to 6. And I get 13 plus 7. I'm saying greater than is less than or equal to 6. So I get 13 plus 7, which is 20, and 20 is not. So I get 20 is less than or equal to 6, which is not true. So that means negative 1 is not a solution. Alright, let's plug in 0. So I get 13 minus 7 times 0 is less than or equal to 6. And I get that. I get 13 is less than or equal to 6. And that's not true. So 0 is not a solution. Alright, let's plug in 1. I get 13 minus 7 times 1 is less than or equal to 6. And I get 13 minus 7, and 13, I get 6 is less than or equal to 6, and this is a true statement. 6 is less than or equal to 6, so 1 is one of my solutions. The last one, 13 minus 7 times 3 is less than or equal to 6. Well, 7 times 3 is 21, so I get 13 minus 21, so I get negative 8 is less than or equal to 6. And this is a true statement, so 3 is a solution. So my solutions are 1, and 3. Alright, let's look at the next part. It says in problem 2, how is the solution of the related equation 2x plus 1 equal negative 3 related to the solutions of the inequality? Okay, so I have 2x plus 1 equals, I think it was a negative 3. Yep, it was negative 3. So if we solve this, I get 2x is equal to negative 4. Divide by 2, and I get x equals negative 2. So negative 2 is my boundary point, right? And so since this is less than and not less than or equal to, it will really be, I can go ahead and turn this back into the inequality. So x is, I'm sorry, I said less than, it should have said greater than negative 2. So negative 2 is my boundary point. Everything else, it has to be greater than negative 2. So my solutions have to be greater than negative 2. I hope this helps.